Okay, welcome back. So now we are going to look at how BuzzSumo is going to predict the top content searches and blogs written by influencers. Now BuzzSumo is a game-changing tool. I will tell you right now in a moment coming up right now in this video. Hi there. So we are back with BuzzSumo. So BuzzSumo is going to help you to find the most shared content and key influencers. So I'll just head over to buzzsumo.com. Okay. Now, now what I can do is I can just scroll down a little bit and I can show you that this is the most amazing tool being used by a lot of people over there, right? And so I can head over to try BuzzSumo for free today, right? I can even look at all the stuff so which is into say what all it does, right? So BuzzSumo is into a lot of things. It is into content discovery, it is into influencer marketing, right? And it is also into brand monitoring, content campaigns, right? And this is one kind of a game-changing tool, right? It can do competitive research, it can do brand monitoring, right? Brand monitoring is going to help you to find the right keywords and brand alerts. For example, it's going to find a lot of things which I'll explain to you. And you can also look at influencer marketing, right? Who are your influencers? Suppose if digital marketing is your key area, who are the top people, who are the influencers in that particular area, right? Content curation, which we told you about Curator, right? BuzzSumo also can help you to curate and search by topic, what kind of contents and which content is shared. Content insights and research and planning will help you to conduct research in the content that resonates, right? Which is going to do well, right? Competitive research is going to more into who are your competitors, what are their research, say targets. For example, what are the research targets? I mean, like somebody has written some kind of a content, right? What are their targets? What do they set? What are the kinds of reports that you'll be getting through your competitors? Analyzing your competitors' data is one thing which is amazing, right? So what are your competitors' most shared content? That is going to be a big research target, okay? So now, so I can click on research content over there once I'm logged into the dashboard, right? And I can click on research content, and now I can type in the content, a topic of my choice. I'll just type in SEO and give a search. Okay, so I'm going to find out which is going to do well. Now, suppose I can find out which are the topics that are doing well in SEO. Okay, and I can suppose I want to type in let me type in search engine, just give me a minute, search engines, and then give it searches, and then I'll find out if I click on Facebook engagement or Twitter shares. I can find out which is the most shared topic on Twitter, right? 5 successful video, that is the most shared. And I can also click on number of links to export. That's the backlinks I'm talking about, right? And I can also look at a lot of things over here, including view backlinks. So if I want to view backlinks to a particular content article, I can find out what are the links. Suppose this has only one, so I'll have to go back. Just give me 1 second. So let me go back. Okay. So now I can find out, for example, who are the users, or people who have shared that particular article is something which is very important, which I'll be able to find out, right? And here I'm able to find out. I can even save the influencer if I want to. I can even tweet to them. Jidu, I can tweet to them. I can add to a Twitter list. I saw Jidu was sharing most of the content over here. For example, this particular article has been shared a lot of times. Cool. Now I can also look at what are the content articles trending now. If I click on trending now in news button, so I'm able to see what are the top articles that are trending now, which are the top articles that are making a mark. So I can click on that, move there. I saw one article over there, and then I can see that, right? I can even filter it according to countries. If I want to say India, I can filter it according to India. If I say US, I can filter it according to US, right? That is amazing. And then I can even go to the sports column. I can find out if I have a sports blog, I can use that. If I have an entertainment blog, technology blog, I can use it to share this kind of curate these articles in the blog. You have a lot of plugins if yours is a WordPress. Search for WordPress plugins. Don't forget that for curation, content curation or curate I can use. Now backlinks. I can give my site its first look ai.com, right? And then I can click on search, and then it's going to figure out how many people have shared a link to my site First Look AI, right? And that is going to be a game changer, because if people are sharing links to your site everywhere, right, you'll find out who are those people. Now I see Pooja here, Chetna here, who are sharing links to my site, right? So I'll be able to figure out who is sharing links. I see Aweber over there, I see Quora, I see freeebooks .net, right, where we have published book, a free ebook on Growth Hacker Granny, which is like a growth hacking book. Okay. Now I can even change the URL. Suppose you want to find out your competitors' backlinks. Okay, example, I can even change the URL to whatever you want. So whatever I want, right? So www.amazon.com. I can figure out what are the URLs, backlinks that are linking back to Amazon. I know it'll take a hell lot of time. It's going to take a hell lot of time for those backlinks to load from Amazon. So right now it will take a lot of time. So you can find that many domain links are there, right? And I filtered it according to past year. You see at the left hand corner, it is a past year, right? It's a huge big data that I'll be getting loads of data that I'll be getting here. So now I don't think this will load any time in the near future because that much of backlinks are there. So if I filter it according to 24 hours, maybe it will be. Anyways, we'll look at that. So if I filter it according to 24 hours, now let me try whether this was faster. Yes, amazing. So 24 hours backlinks also a lot, right? So you see there's so many links up to date, right? Okay, let's move on to content analysis. Content analysis is able to you'll be finding out which are the top articles from Amazon.com or your site or a competitor's website. What are the articles? What is the engagement rate, right? And what are the average engagement per networks by content type? Maybe Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. What are the platforms? Total engagements by day published. You'll be able to see average engagements by content length of the content. Maybe it's 500 words, 1000 words, name it. And you'll be able to see the total engagements, who have shared it, who have liked it, who have, subscribed, or whatever it is, right? You'll be able to see the total engagements in data, right? So this is going to be ultimately amazing. Now let's also move on to Facebook Analyzer, which will tell you, so you can look at that. You can also Google that, Facebook Analyzer, how it works in BuzzSumo. So I don't have to tell you about that. It's very easy. You'll analyze Facebook pages and all this stuff for the content that your most engagement platform is. Cool. That's your assignment for the day. You'll have to look at that. So I've given digital marketing influencers. I will show you that, digital marketing agencies. So if I give in that digital marketing agencies or influencers in the search criteria, you'll find out all the top influencers in your niche. So that you'll have to go through all this stuff. You can give SEO agencies instead of digital marketing, or you can give SEM agencies, you can give affiliate marketing agencies, name it. You can give whatever you want. Okay, so you have to go through this tool, take a free trial, go through this tool, how this BuzzSumo functions, and then you can export the data to, I guess that's a pro feature. Anyways, you just try it out. And marketing, this is showing my brand, so my backlinks and what blogs have I written and what is doing well. So any mention, suppose somebody has told about our brand, you will find out that. RSS feed is something you'll have to look at. How do you export articles? Also is something you have to look at, right? RSS feed may be also a pro feature. Google RSS feeds, okay, in BuzzSumo, right? Thank you.